So hello once again, my name is Nick Madsen. I am the Emerging Technology Librarian at the Community Library Network, and we're so excited to share our new service with you, 3D printing at your library. And this is going to be the last step. Now that we have uploaded our model, we've rotated and resized it, when we've prepared it for 3D printing, now we're actually going to send it to the 3D printer. A quick note, the print option will only appear on a file that you've already prepared for 3D printing, and you can see the previous step for instructions on how to do that. Click My Files in the top menu of 3D Printer OS, and click My Projects in the upper left of your screen, and click the drop-down arrow on your project name to reveal the files inside. Click Print on your chosen file. Find the library closest to you on the list, and click Q to the right of that printer name. You're then going to enter 4 different pieces of information: your library network card number, your library pickup location, your filament color, and give us a little bit of information on the model designer. You can then click Continue on the bottom of your screen, and a message will appear that estimates the cost, time, and weight of your finished model. Click Go to Printers on the bottom of your screen to see your model in the library's 3D printer queue. 3D Printer OS will send you a notification email when your order starts printing and when your model is completed. Library Dremel 3D45 3D printers have a built-in camera that captures a time lapse of your model being produced from start to finish. The time-lapse video will be attached to the email you receive when your print is completed. And that's the last thing that you're going to have to do. The library will take it from there by having our 3D printers manufacture that model that you've just ordered from us.